We're just coming out of Calvinia now. When last have I seen a steam engine? Telling you, this is here at the Calvinia Museum. On the outskirts of the town, there's a nature reserve called Akkerendam Nature Reserve. I just want to see what it looks like. Look at that escarpment at the top there.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow. That's interesting.
I just want to change the setting on the camera. I think you can see it better now, that plateau there. It's crazy, eh?
All along. All along the top
yeah,
edge,
all
eh?
along there, yeah.
It's very interesting.
Akkerendam Nature Reserve.
What time is the entrance times?
8 until 16:30.
All right. We're still fine.
Yeah.
Let's see what we can see.
Getting closer to that is amazing.
Sometimes wish we knew more about geology, eh?
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
Check those sheer cliffs all along there.
Yeah, the top part, eh?
Yeah. Amazing.
Even this side one.
Yeah. So quiet here too.
That's that gets me. I love it. The silence.
It's where someone come and stack these rocks here.
Maybe someone did.
Yeah.
The same ones who did the pyramids.
Yeah, who knows, eh?
Do you know what they remind me of? It's
Yeah.
like fingers.
Oh, okay, yeah. I see what you mean. We're just following the farm owner now. They've had some rain here in the Karoo, and look at this.
Unbelievable.
Beautiful, beautiful. Wow.
How awesome is this?
Yeah, stunning, stunning, stunning. Wow.
Oh, it's fantastic. Hi.
Look at this, yeah, eh? They're in the middle of the Karoo, and look how green it is.
But look how much rain they had.
Yeah, amazing.
This is awesome.
Wow. I love it. Farmer came to pick us up at the turn-off. I think we're staying in that shed.
That's also cool.
Yeah.
But the one here on the right looks more familiar.
A sharp turn, yeah.
Sharp turn,
Okay.
yeah. And this is called Sonnevleg,
Sonnevleg.
which loosely translated means, I would imagine, braids by the sun braids.
Oh yes, that's true.
I think
Yeah.
it's got to do with the sun rays, you know.
This is so nice.
This is fantastic.
Okay, there's a bit of a breeze blowing. Well, it's stronger than a breeze. But we finally arrived here at Sonnevleg. And it's just so exciting to get to our places again, be out on the farms. This farm is fantastic. It's like a fifth generation farmer living out here, and we spoke to him for a long time now. Really, we're staying in one of the original farmhouses. It's a massive place just for the two of us, but it is what it is. I'm going to take you in and I want to show you this place. Well, the sun is setting now. Wow, so beautiful. Well, let me start around going this way. Here's our bug. Sheep farmers, as you know, in the Karoo. Loads of sheep out there. This is our scene. Wow. This is so nice. Okay, prickly pears. Not any fruit on it at the moment. These are old prickly pears. You can see they've been here for yonks, eh? Okay, this is our little house. Well, it's not so little, it's massive. Big house just for the two of us. Check his Oregon pine floors. Sonia says that if she has to stay here tonight, if we're lying in bed and she hears the floorboards doing this, she will die of heart failure. Okay, this is the lounge. This house is massive, but it's like old style, so nice. Beautiful floors. I love this. This is, check at this, beautiful. Wow. Don't get that no more. So that was the lounge. This is another bedroom. I would suspect that in the old days this might have been the dining room. They would have their formal lounge, then they'd have a dining room. This must have been a door going in somewhere as well. Oh no, this is the dining room. Whoa, beautiful. I'll go out that door later and show you. This is more like the pantry, I would say, with everything that we need. We just turn on the lights for the kitchen. Really nice. This is another bedroom, but this is massive. Look at the size of this. I think we're going to use this bedroom right here by the bathroom. I love these floors. Look at that. Pretty. Bathroom is totally modernized. Massive shower. I love this. Another bedroom. And this is just for two of us. Crazy. And this is another front door out here. Really nice. I want to take you out to this braai area out the back here. Look at this. Wow. Such a nice place. Didn't plan on drying. What a beautiful place. So I've just unpacked the car, settled down, everything, had a little snack to eat, got myself a sundowner, and we're sitting here. Check the prickly pears behind us there. And you saw earlier on that there's that dam over there. I'm still trying to pluck up the courage to go and jump into that water there, but it's not that hot, but it is sweaty. I hope you understand what I mean.
But it's dry.
It's dry, yeah. It is hot, but not crazy hot like I was expecting it to be.
It's a dry heat.
It's a real dry heat, but yeah, we're just chilling here now.
We're listening to the silence.
Yes, listen.
Amazing.
Stunning, eh?
And then the odd sheep and lamb I can hear bleating.
Yeah. And we're so far away from traffic, you can't hear any vehicles or anything like that. So yeah, brilliant.
This is the life,
This
right?
is the life. Okay, we were traveling on the gravel road when we just left the gravesite of the Englishman, the English soldier. And we came across this little fellow lying next to the road.
Face down on a gravel road.
Face down on a gravel road. Someone must have lost him. They must be very unhappy. But we stopped. I drove past him and I thought, no, I'm not going to stop. But then I decided I just can't leave him lying there next to the road. So I backed up to him, picked him up, and we thought, okay, we'll take him with us and we'll give him to someone along that we find a child somewhere and we'll give him to somebody. We never found anybody. We've arrived at our place where we're sleeping overnight, and we've decided that Dusty is his new name, and he's going to be traveling with us wherever we go. So here's Dusty, and a fly sitting on his ear.
So he's the third member of the
He's the third member of the DustBugs. Wow, good morning. What a beautiful morning we're waking up to here on the farm. Sunrise. You can hear the sheep in the distance there. Slight chill in the air. Really beautiful. This morning, as you can see, for the first time, we're going to be sitting here on the veranda with coffee and what they call here in the Karoo skynskoek, English diagonal cake, and telling you, it's actually also known as the Karoo donut. I think this is going to be so nice, sitting here, checking out at this sunrise. Wow, really nice. Sonnevleg.
Was fantastic.
Oh, amazing. Thank you.
Had a wonderful stay.
Here comes the farmer.
Oh, it's coincidence.
Yeah. Oh, it's his father. The farmer and his father.